Good morning and assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to start mathematics part 1 in which first chapter is sets. Sets is a very important chapter because which is used for define the concept of relation and function. So let us students listen what are sets. What are sets? What are sets? Sets means here collection of well-defined object. Collection of well-defined object. Collection of well-defined object. Well-defined object. Sets are collection of well-defined objects. Well-defined objects means here. Well-defined object means here. Should not vary person to person. Should not vary person to person. Person to person. For example, listen here. For example, good teachers, collection of good teacher, collection of good teacher in your school. In your school. Second one here, collection of 5 best singer. 5 best singer. Student, listen carefully now here. Collection of, first example here, collection of good teacher in your school. In that example, the good, that means here relation person to person. They are showing a relative person to person. That means not well defined here. Not well defined here. Another example also same, collection of best singer. There are also best. It is also not well defined collection of object. It's clear? The collection of well-defined objects are called set. For example, collection of first 5 prime numbers. First 5 prime number, that is 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. It is the first 5 prime number. That means here collection of well-defined object. There are natural numbers, so many natural numbers in which we have to collect only prime numbers. Understood? It's clear. Similarly, the first example is given here, collection of good teacher. Beside of this good teacher, we can only say collection of teacher of our branch. Or Srivardhan branch. So we can say set. Okay. So how many teachers are present in our school? So in Srivardhan branch, so we can count and we can say that it is well defined. But good teacher, it is not well defined. Collection of well defined. It's clear the concept of sets. Okay. Next one here, how to write set. How to write set. Students, one more thing, listen here. The name of the set given using capital letters. That is, you can take here A, B, C to Z. It's okay. So for example, collection of first 1 to 5 natural number. So now take here an example, right? A is equal to, and the set is always right in a curly bracket, okay, pair of curly brackets. So now write A is equals to in curly bracket natural number from 1 to 10. So now write here 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9 comma 10 bracket close. It's clear? And now listen here. Each elements it differ by commas. Okay, each elements or one's elements are separated by commas. It's clear? Therefore write here 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma so on. Similarly, we can take in another example. Set of the even number. Set of the even number. Even number means here the numbers remainders is 2 division by remainder is 0, division by 2. For example, set B is equal to in curly bracket, alright, 2 4 6 7 6 8 thereafter 10. It is an even number, okay, in between 1 to 10 even number, that is 2 4 6 8. So we can write here set B is in curly bracket 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8 comma 10. It's clear? Now we can take here in any words, any word. For example, I am taking here English. The word is English. All right, here English. So English, we can take here set in capital letters. A is equal to in curly bracket. English first letter is E, comma N, comma G, comma L, comma I, comma S, comma H, then close here bracket. Set A is equals to in curly bracket E, comma N, comma G, comma L, comma I, comma S, comma H, and bracket close. So we have to write in here English. So one more thing here, listen. In curly bracket, the all elements are written in a small letters. All elements or members are written in a small letters. Okay, it's clear? So now one more thing here. See here, E is an element of set A. E is an element of set A, or we can say that E is a member of set A. E is a member of set A. That means here all the alphabet we can say here elements. We can say here elements or members, or we can write here E is an element of set A. This one here write in a symbolic form. How can we write in a symbolic form? Listen carefully now here. That is E is a first one, write it. E is an element of set A. Okay, of set A. Those statements write in a symbolic form. How can you write? Listen carefully here. E, thereafter write here capital letter E, that is symbolic form. Okay, E is an element of set A. E is an element of set, or we can write here E belongs to. Okay, we can read this one. E belongs to set A, or E is an element of set A. E belongs to set A, or E is an element of set A. The another letters is here S. Okay, also write here S belongs to small letter S belongs to set A, or S is a member or element of set A. It's clear. They are not having a D letters, so we can write here D is not. How we can write here? D is not, or is not elements of set A. D is not an element of set A. Okay, or D does not belong to set A. It's clear. Understood? So many example we can take here. Okay, and we can write set in a curly bracket. Understood?